And actually we discussed that.
Start no kera.
Complete that 1 to 7 minutes one, na?
Yes sir.
1 to 8, okay. Let us check the answers. Which of the following is a numerical expression? Which of the following is a numerical expression? Expression contains less than or greater than symbols. That means 4 plus 2 less than 7. 4 plus 2 less than 7. That is the numerical expression. Next, an open sentence containing the equal to is called equation or equality. Equality or equation, both A and B. Next, a true mathematical statement containing the sign equal to is called a true mathematical statement containing the sign equal to is called equation. Is called equation. The highest degree of the variable in a linear equation I want highest degree 1. The highest degree of a linear equation is always 1. Next, which of the following is a linear equation? 4x plus 6 is equal to 8. Why? Because there is a xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 5. Okay, na? Here the degree is 2 and here 2 and here 2. But what is the expression we have? What is the statement we have? That the linear equation has the variable degree 1. ఇక్కడ డిగ్రీ ఎంత ఉందన్నా 1 2 అయిపోతుంది. ఓకేనా? For this term xy is an individual term and yz is an individual term and zx is an individual term. For this term the exponent that is degree is 2 and for this term 2 and for this term 2. But what is the condition we have? The highest power always should be 1 in a linear equation. So the answer is 4x plus 6 is equal to 8. Next one. If two numerical expressions are joined by equal to or greater than or equal to or less than, then they are known as mathematical sentences. Mathematical sentences. The value of a variable which satisfies the equation is called a dash. Solution and a root. Both A and B. Solution and a root. Okay, na? These are the bits I gave you homework yesterday. So let us continue that in today's class. So note down the eighth bit. If x is equal to 10, then 0.2x plus 2.2 is equal to how much? Okay, na? That is the question. He given here the x value is equal to 10. Then 0.2x plus 2.2 is equal to how much? Okay, na? We have to substitute this value in this equation. Okay, so that means 0.2 x means 0.2x means 0.2 into x. Okay, so into 10 plus 2.2. So 0.2 into 10. Whenever you are multiplying a decimal number with the powers of 10, then it becomes the decimal point shift towards right side. Okay, here how many zeros are there? 1 0. Here decimal after how many digits are there? 1 digit. So both get cancelled. So 2 plus 2.2. So 2 plus 2.2? 4.2 is the answer. And look at the next question. Wait, madam. Next, if x is equal to 1.4, then 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So x value is given that 1.4. So substitute this value in this equation. So 1 plus x value 1.4 by 1 minus 1.4. That is equal 1 plus 1.4. 2.4 by 1 minus 1.4. 0.4. 0.4. In these two values, which one is greater than 1? 1.4 is greater. For this value, there is a sign minus. So, you have to replace that sign here. Okay, na? Here in the numerator, one digit in the decimal, and in the denominator also one digit in the decimal. So, you have to cancel that both. So, 224 by minus 4. 4 table 1 time, 6 times. So, the answer is minus 6. So, the answer is minus 6. Note down. If 2x plus 3 is equal to 5, then x is equal to how much? Okay, Anna? Here this is an equation and we have to find out the value of a variable. How to find out the value of a variable? Why? Because sir, we are solving the linear equations in one variable. Okay, Anna? This is the linear equation in one variable. Why? Because only one variable in this equation. And the degree is also 1. So it is a linear equation and it contains only one variable. Okay, Anna? So that's why 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, Anna? What I said, Anna? Replace that all the variables on one side and all the constants on one side. Okay, Anna? So, in this way, in this question, we have to solve in one way. That is very easy now. Okay, now, LHS కానీ RHS కానీ ఏదో ఒకటి సాల్వ్ చేస్తే x వాల్యూ వచ్చేస్తున్నాను. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ చూడండి LHS లో ఎక్కువ టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 2 టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. RHS లో ఓన్లీ 1 టర్మ్ ఉంది. ఓకేనా? సో LHS ని సాల్వ్ చేసేద్దాం. ఓకేనా? సో ఇక్కడ +3 ఉంది ఎక్స్ట్రా. +3 కి ఎంత యాడ్ చేస్తే 0 అయిపోతుంది? +3 కి ఎంత యాడ్ చేస్తే 0 అయిపోతుందన్నా? -3. Sir, no. Whatever the number you are added in this left side, that number should be added to the right side. Okay, now చూడండి ఎందుకంటే 2x plus 3 2x plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 5 minus 3. Okay, now if you replace this minus 3 to this side, what it becomes? Plus 3. So 5 minus 3 plus 3 both get cancelled. మీ ఈక్వేషన్ అలానే ఉండిపోయిందా? మీ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏమైనా చేంజ్ వచ్చిందా? అంటే మీరు ఏ నెంబర్ అయితే యాడ్ కానీ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ కానీ డివిజన్ కానీ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ కానీ చేస్తున్నారో సేమ్ నెంబర్ ఎయిదర్ సైడ్స్ అంటే బోత్ సైడ్స్ మీరు చేశారు అంటే దేర్ ఇస్ నో చేంజ్ ఇన్ యువర్ ఈక్వేషన్. అర్థమైందా నాన్న? ఇక్కడ మనం ఇది 0 అయిపోవాలని చూసాం. ఫస్ట్ కాన్స్టెంట్ 0 అయిపోవాలని చూసాం. సో ఏం చేసాం మనం? -3 యాడ్ చేసాం. సో అదే -3 రైట్ సైడ్ కూడా యాడ్ చేయాలి. అర్థమైందా నాన్న? So what you have to write here? Subtract 3 on both sides. Subtract 3 on both sides. So 2x plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 5 minus 3. So these get cancelled. So 2x is equal to 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. 5 minus 3 2. Okay, now what is asking? Only the value of x. Only the value of x. So x పక్కనే కొడేది ఉంది ఇక్కడ. ఏంటది? 2. 2x అంటే ఏంటన్నా? 2 into x. సో ఈ 2 క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోవాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి మనం? డివిజన్ చేయాలి. సో divide 2 on both sides. So 2x by 2 is equal to 2 by 2. 2 cancel and 2 get cancelled. So that implies x is equal to
1.
X is equal to 1. Note down. 11th question is homework for you. 200y minus 51 is equal to 49. Then y is equal to how much? That is the question you have to do the homework. The next 8x. If 8x plus 5 by 2 is equal to 13, then x is equal to how much? So here what we have to do now? 8x is equal to, replace this 5 by 2 that side. 13 minus 5 by 2. So what is the LCM here? 8x is equal to. No, remember one thing. Whenever there is a minus sign, a whole number, and a plus sign or minus sign with a fraction. Okay, no? Whenever there is a whole number with a plus sign or minus sign along with your fraction, you have to do that mixed fraction to improper fraction conversion. Mixed fraction to improper fraction conversion is kada? So 2 13s are 26. And what is the sign here? Minus. So that 26 minus 5. 21 by 2. మీరు LCM చేసినా కానీ ఇది ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? Simply have to remember that a whole number along with a plus sign or a minus sign and with a fraction. You have to do the mixed fraction to improper fraction conversion. So okay, so 2 13s are 26 minus 5. 26 minus 5, 21 by 2. Okay, na? And here 8x. 8x means 8 into x. So replacing this 8x to the right side, it becomes division. So x is equal to 21 by 2 into 1 by 8. So x is equal to 21 ones, 21, 2 8s, 16. Okay, and also convert this into mixed fraction. 16 table 21. 1 time 5 by 16. 1 5 by 16. Note down now. Next question. 13th. If 9 1 by 4 is equal to y minus 1 1 by 3, then y is equal to how much? Then y is equal to how much? That is the question. Okay, now simply what you have to do here? Replacing this 1 1 by 2 to left side. మార్క్స్ సరిపోతుంది కదా నాన్న. ఈ 1 1 by 3 ని ప్లస్ సైడ్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ తీసుకొచ్చేస్తే y వాల్యూ ఒకటే ఉంటుంది రైట్ సైడ్. వాడు అడిగింది కూడా y వాల్యూ. ఓకేనా? సో వాట్ యు హావ్ టు డు 9 1 by 4 plus 1 1 by 3 is equal to y. So immediately what you have to do? Improper fraction లో కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్. సో హౌ మచ్ అయినా 4 9s 36 plus 1 37 by 4 plus 3 ones 3 plus 1 4 by 3 is equal to 5. Here these two are co-prime numbers. The LCM of co-prime numbers is always their product. LCM of co-prime numbers is always their product. So what you have to do? 37 into 3, 4 into 4. Okay, na? So LCM of 4 comma 3 is equal to 4 into 3, 12. So here what is the denominator, nana? 4. So I have to get here 12. With what number you have to multiply? 3. So 37 into 3 by 4 into 3 plus 4 by 3. Here denominator is 3. So you have to multiply with 4 into 4. That is equal to 37 3 sir. 111 by 12 plus 16 by 12. 127 by 12. 127 in 12 table. 10 times 7 by 12. Okay, na? Or else simply what you have to do? Whole numbers రెండు యాడ్ చేయడం 9 plus 1 9. ఈ రెండు యాడ్ చేసినా వస్తుంది. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 చేస్తే 7 by 12 వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇంప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయకుండా ఈ హోల్ నెంబర్స్ రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేసేది. ఆ తర్వాత మిగిలిన ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ ని మీకు తెలిసిన విధంగా ప్లస్ కానీ మైనస్ కానీ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా?